Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So my angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Libra, welcome back. All my subscribers, thank you for being here again with me. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. 3 of Wands, the High Priestess, King of Wands, 4 of Cups, 9 of Cups, center of my spread. My God, somebody is very, very unhappy at the moment. The Moon, 10 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and the 2 of Pentacles. All right, so Libra, overall energy of this reading is the 9 of Wands. So somebody's either got their barriers up now, keeping themselves guarded, not allowing the other person into their side of the fence, maybe. I don't know. Let's put this here. And the overall energy of this reading, Libra, is sense of not feeling very happy at the moment. Your wish is not coming true. Having a bit of fear, maybe going through a bit of depression, maybe looking out into the future now and feeling, hey, everything is out now in the open. I don't know what action to take. So before I start clarifying these cards, Libra, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Libra and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other now. I'm going to take a few more from the other deck, Libra. Libra and their person. Libra and their person, spirit. Okay. And a couple more from another deck, just to kind of spice it up a bit. All right, good to go, Libra. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have here says, you have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. I think one of the zodiacs, I think Aries had this too. Okay. I've been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is knowing that you can trust someone with your mind, body, heart, soul, and life. Being a faithful and reliable partner always. So yes, some secrets have come out, maybe about somebody's selfish behavior, and now they don't know how to take action. Maybe they've been disloyal and that's come out. If only you knew what I've been through to be at your side. Do you really know the sacrifices I have made? It hurts like hell when you push me away when all I do is fight for you and for our love. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. You are my daily motivation. Your soul, the essence of who you are, inspires me and helps me navigate the path of life. Our love will never die because true love lasts forever. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you day and night. Always on my mind and in my heart. Yes, that's you, forever. and always. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. This situation is messy. Yes, I do feel the same way, with family coming in and promises being broken and secrets coming out, fears, anxiety. Yes, it's family, and I don't know. Let's start clarifying these cards, Libra, and see what's really going on. And before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, Libra, with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. You found it. I don't know what you found, Libra, with all this mess going on, but yes, somebody has found out that they are deeply unhappy at not being with this person. Either you could be feeling that way, you finally figured out this is my spiritual partner, this is my soulmate, and I can't be with them, or your partner's now realizing that what a mess they've created of the situation, but all in all, you found it. So let's clarify these cards. 3 of Wands, Spirit versus 3 of Wands. Somebody was always checking out to see what was on the other side, or was the grass greener on the other side. And that kind of stressed their partner out big time. Maybe somebody was being selfish. Somebody was probably playing around, maybe trying to check out other options, and now they are stressed out themselves because now they feel, oh my God, all my secrets are out now. Yes, now they want to kind of rectify maybe their bad behavior, but they feel now if I go towards my person, I'll probably be rejected. I won't be accepted anymore because, yes, in the past they're acknowledging that they've been selfish and maybe left their partner out in the cold to suffer. Never gave them the time, never gave them the energy, maybe just left them on the wayside while they went out to have maybe a good time somewhere else. 4 of Cups in reverse. Yes, somebody was being a player. Now they are in fear. Now they are fearful, they are depressed now because now they are realizing none of these cups really made them happy. Now they won the 9 of Cups, they won their emotional happiness, but very, very deeply unhappy here, Libra, because I think now their partner has either walked away or is walking away from this connection. Now there is fear, there's anxiety, there is depression. Moon, Spirit. Things have halted, things have stagnated now. Yes, there was some cheating, lying behavior which happened here. One partner, I think, thought they could get away with it, but I think all these secrets came to light, right? And now it's worrying the person who cheated that, oh my God, now what do I do? None of my wishes are going to come true now. Now they want a reconciliation. Maybe earlier they were busy with third parties. Now they don't want things to end. They want to get back with their partner. They don't want to lose their partner. They want to stall, this connection from ending. They want to move towards their partner, but now they feel their partner's now got their barriers up. They've got their boundaries in place. 7 of Wands. I'm not going to let you back in. I'm holding my fort very, very strong. I'm not going to let you cross over now. I've made my decision, is what their partner is saying. But now they don't want to let this go. They want to, the person who was cheating, lying, is the person now who wants to make this forward movement. They don't want things to end between the two of you. They want to now have this happiness back in their life. But it may be too late because their partner's already made some decision for themselves. 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. 10 of Pentacles. This could have had the promise of going the long haul. This had the potential of being a very happy family or a long-term partnership. But right now, Things have halted because when the time was right, Libra, somebody didn't put in the work. Always made their partner feel very unstable, very unhappy, never been given the position to feel secure in a family dynamic. Yes. So, Page of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Things have halted now. So there's almost a fear that I've lost my soulmate. I've lost my person. This is the person I had a spiritual bond with. I had everything. But because somebody didn't make a choice when the time was right, now they feel like a loser in the game. Two of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. Now this person wants to make a decision. Now they want to make a choice, but now they feel they've lost their power. They've lost their power to get their wish fulfillment back. They don't feel that strong anymore, that they can achieve any kind of balance, any kind of healing. As much as they want it, they want to make that decision. They've made the decision, but now because so much conflict has been created in this connection, Libra, somebody feels that they have lost their power. Yes, because that person is now holding back from them and brought in a huge amount of stagnation. This is like a screeching halt. Yes, the person, there's a King of Cups in reverse and a Queen of Cups in reverse at the moment. This is a very good partnership gone wrong because of somebody's lying, cheating behavior, and I don't know. This can't be the ending, Spirit. Give me something else. What can we expect now? Spirit says this chapter hasn't ended. It's still open-ended. But somebody needs to put in some work. Yes, somebody needs to come out of this stuck place now. Because neither of you are really very happy at the moment, Libra. There's absolutely no emotional happiness left in this connection. But there is a window open. There is a window open if somebody can put in the work. Now that you've found it, now that you know who your person is, there's still time to make things right. So that's all I have for you, Libra. I'm sorry this was not the happiest of readings, but the only good part I got from this is there is still hope. Okay, there is a window of opportunity, but someone now really needs to go out and put in the work now. Okay, that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Namaste.